Okay, go.
Hey, come here. Cute. Oh, you're getting faster. You're just tripping over everything. Oh.
Oh no!
No.
No.
Way, puppy. Come here. You look drunk. He's turning around in a circle for no reason.
He's like, Hugo, save me.
Hi. Oh, you're such a good puppy. Ooh.
Marcel, do the Running Man.
Oh.
Hey, this is a dog that runs in his sleep.
Running Man, Marcel. Come on.
He's like, my legs are so tired.
There we go. Faster,
Not very
faster.
fast. You just kind of like.
Faster.
Run,
As fast as you can.
He's like, I am.
I'm going as fast as I can.
I'm running so fast, I'm in the air.
Oh, I'm tired.
Marcel. Marcel.
I can't believe he just hopped himself into a circle.
Marcel. Marcel. Hello.
Oh, my throat hurts.
It's so cute.
Marcel.